Hey my friends, oh my god, I'm so excited today because I get to actually talk to you about something I've been working on for a long time. You might have heard me talking about this ClickeCourse. It's a site that I have been putting together to allow you to host your courses or to promote other people's courses, of course to buy courses or to get free courses. I've actually posted lots of things on there myself. And as you know, Course Income Secrets is all about generating income from courses, from not just you creating courses but other people creating courses, you promoting them, promoting the affiliate programs of the site, promoting the site itself, the platform itself, all these kinds of things. And we're going to talk about that in just a moment.
So the real question is this: what are the strategies, techniques, and tools that you need to learn to generate residual income from the e-learning boom that's happening right now? My name is Jean-Serge Gagnon, and welcome to Course Income Secrets.
All right, so you've created a course. Let's just talk about the different things that you can do if you want to use a course hosting platform, or you want to generate income from course income, for the course secrets, the secrets of generating income from digital courses, from online courses. So let me just get this out of the way here, and let me just show you over here. If I go here, I'm actually going to log out, make sure that we see what you would see as a new visitor. Now let's share the screen over here. Wrong screen, let me just that's funny, isn't it? All right, there you go. So now this is Course Income Secrets. This is a base page. If you go to Course Income Secrets, you will see what they call, what's a feed, or if I go to the about page, you see also kind of what it's all about. Basically it's a place where you can sell your own courses, where you can take a course in a an easy to use navigation, market your course or others, and earn income from promotion and from selling other courses, because you can actually give a commission to people that promote your course, right? You can also make a commission from promoting other people's courses. You choose as a course author how much you give. It's 20%, 30%. We don't take anything. ClickeCourse does not take any of the amount of there's just the fees from the payment processor, but we don't take any additional. There's on this page you'll see a few little tidbits on the different person you might be. You might be a student, you might be a marketer, you might be in a teacher, right? So depending on what your interest is on here, you can kind of read up on it a little bit. And of course up here you'll see the menu, and you can register and log in. So first let's just go to the courses. So when you go to the courses, you're going to see what we have in terms of courses on the site right now. There's multiple courses that I've created, I put on there. There's courses from others on here too. If I look, for example, my LinkedIn connection growth secret, my LinkedIn profile, this one here is a free course. You can actually say over here, I want to show the price, and I want to see the free price, see how the price of some of the free courses, right? So if I go to the LinkedIn profile secrets over here, you can see what this course is all about. You can see what the lessons are down here. So as you can see, it says unlock course right here. You can watch the free lesson. You can just click on this to actually watch the course. So it starts off with a little intro thing here, but basically it shows you the course free video to kind of preview what the course is all about. You can go back to the course over here down the bottom there. So that's, if you're a student, this is kind of how you would navigate through the site to see the courses, right? What if you want to create a course yourself, right? So over here you would register. Of course you're going to put your name and email in there, and a password. You register. I'm already registered. I'll just log in, and when you log in, it takes you to the feed. Now the feed is similar to other social media platforms, right? It's a feed that shows when somebody adds a course, or when somebody adds a lesson to a course, also when they change their profile picture, and these are comments, and there's ads, promotions of course in here as well. Somebody can rate a course, a rating, and you can comment on these feed items. You can post pictures and videos like I did here. There's different things you can do. That's what the feed is. And if you click on the courses, well, actually let's show you the different plans. So the website, you can create a free account, right? A free account, a free plan gives you all this over here, all the way from here to here. That's all the things you get for the free. And if you want to start to earn income by selling your own courses, you can have free courses if you'd like on the free account. If you want to actually sell your courses though, you have to at least get a beginner plan. Prices are down here, so $10 a month, $250 a month. And the different plans, I'm not going to go through all this, but the main differences between the different plans is the number of courses and number of lessons you can have, and also the number of membership sites you can create, and the percentage of commission you get from referrals or from course selling, right? So the percentage changed based on how much what level of account you have. So now the other thing is, if we go to the courses, you can see right here, to create a course you would just click on create a new course right here, and once your course is created, you can actually do things like say this for example is one of the courses I created, and over here you see the different lessons. You can actually see the details in the course. If I go to this course, for example, this lesson, if you're buying this if you're buying this it's going to show, let's just skip over to the end here because we don't want to. I just want to show you the one of the things you can do. Well, actually, you know what, let's show you something else. So over here you can if I go to the course itself, depending on what you do with the course, you can make it so that people can download the videos or the MP3s. I actually didn't do that with this one, but if I edit the course, I'll show you how that works. If I edit the course, I go into the course editor, I can select specify different things, the cover image, I can specify the price, I can specify whether it's downloadable or not. In this case I said I didn't want to, but I should allow it. I'll just save that. Done. The other thing is, when you create a lesson on the site, if you add a lesson, if I want to go to say one of the, now that the course is here, you can download all audio files in zip, download all video files in the zip. So that allows the student to download the audios, right? They can download the audios of your course. Now this, as you can see, is different lessons in the course. And if I go to another course that I basically am in the middle of creating, for example, I go to view my courses. Over here you can see the different courses, and you can see the different, let's say I go to my course Income Secrets over here. These actually I haven't updated in a while. It's not public, so that's why it's not there, but I can go in here and I can say add a new lesson right over here. And one of the cool things about the site is that you can actually specify a URL here from Facebook, from YouTube, from Vimeo, and you can have it download the video instead of embedding. By default that's how it is. So it'll download the video and it'll save it, and you can also have it download the MP3 from that link. So you can make it so that your videos, right, are on the site, and the MP3s, the audios, are on the site, or you can embed them with YouTube, right? YouTube, Facebook, or Vimeo. So that means that when you go and say, for example, I don't know if I have an example here, let's just cancel this. This is the list of the videos here. So these are all, say for example this one here, if I go look at this one, you can see that this was not a URL. There's no URL. I did not use Facebook. I used the original file. And if I go back to the course here and I play any of these, well actually let's show you one of the ones that is on Facebook. So if I go to the courses, and I know that this one here, Simple Online Strategies, is that the one? No, that's the one with this one here, the 10 simple online strategies. This one here is one I did a while ago. It's basically the 10 strategies that goes with this ebook, and there's videos that goes with it. And if I was to play this, you see that it's a video that's playing directly on the site, right? If I
Simple.com, where you can get,
right, we'll just pause it. but that's the thing. So if I go back to the course, I can actually edit this course. Oh no, I can't. It's on a different. So this is the other thing. This course, Click eCourse, is actually a brandable site. So I actually created another site called Master of Simple. If I go to Master of Simple, this is also powered by Click eCourse, and this is set up so that it gives me a opt-in page by default, but I can actually go down here. You can see down here, powered by Click eCourse. Well, actually you can't see it because my screen is hiding, but you can see right here, powered by Click eCourse down the bottom here. And let me just put that back down there. And when I click on that, it takes me to the but I can go to the portal, which will take me to Master of Simple, which, as you see, it looks exactly the same. The only difference, if I compare to these two, is that the logo is different right up here, right? And the other thing is the course lists are different, although the courses are shared amongst the sites depending on how you configure it. But if I go to this course now, actually I'm not logged in, so let's log in and log into this site, show you what my courses looks like, or just courses. I'm going to go get that same one we had a second ago, 10 simple online strategies, right there. And we're going to show you, if I edit this now, I can change the embedded player option to embedded, set it to done. So now when somebody goes to the site, and this is, of course, you're not going to change this as you go, you make a decision as to how you want it. But now if I play this, I guess in this case it's not there. Oh, that's still the intro. Let's skip over the intro. And by the way, the ads on the side that you see right here and the intro, these are all things that are option. Oh, look at that. All right. This is actually a video that the URL is to a page that no longer exists. It's one of my pages that I lost on Facebook, so that's why it's saying that. So I can't actually show you that, but let me see if I can find anyways, I wanted to show you the difference is that this, instead of being a local video to the server, it'll be a link to Facebook or the YouTube video that you had, just the same as you're used to seeing on lots of the other sites, right? The difference is that we allow you to load it locally versus being a link. And the benefit of having it as an embedded is that you can increase your views on YouTube, for example, right, by people viewing it through here. And if you don't care about the views on YouTube, then, and also you care more about the privacy and people not being able to access this unless they have paid for it, then you would just give them the link. They wouldn't be able to share the link to the video, right, without the other person needing to be granted access, right? So that's part of it. So if I go back to here, let's just go back to here, and these are all no longer on Facebook anymore. I probably should have prepared that ahead of time, but I just wanted to show you kind of like, if I go over here and I create a new course, when I create a new course, basically you specify the course, right? This is a course, new course test, right? I'm just going to call this a testing, and this is a test, right? So you go like this, you click on next down here, and then of course there's things you can skip over. It'll have created the course here. Actually there's so that's it down here. You can click on the top here, you can go to SEO hash, categories, cover image, price. You can set the price of your course to 250 if you want, and you can give a commission of 75% to anybody, but you can also say just the paid site member or just the buyers of the course, right? And if I go in here and I say embedded player, I'm going to say yes, embedded player. Access, right now it's not yet ready. You can change the access. Sales and sites, there's different things there, but I'll just click on done. I just want to show you now I have a course here that I created that doesn't have any content in it, right? If it can finish loading it, coming. And once you've done that, if you go back to actually it's right here. So over here we have a course, and let's add a, let's change the screenshot there. Let's do with something here, down under cover image. We're going to go and choose a file here, and we're just going to put this, right? Let's just put this image, and done. So now that's the cover image of the course. So when we see it on the page, it'll be there. So that's the cover photo of the picture. Of course the quality is, but anyway, so now what you want to do is you want to add lessons. You just click on the little plus next to the lesson, and let's just put, say for example, if I go to my YouTube, where's my YouTube, right over here, let's go over here to, say, my YouTube video from yesterday. Copy this, that over here. So I'm just going to put this link here. I don't need to fill anything else. I can say download video instead of embedding. I'll disable that. Download the MP3. So now what happens is that it's going to save that, and then it's also going to show us that it's downloading the audios. So as you can see, it downloaded the thumbnail of the page, it's downloading the video, downloading the MP3. Now that's done in the background, so I can actually go and say I want to create a new lesson again here, and then I could create a new one, and that'd be fine. In the meantime, while it's downloading, it doesn't know yet what the length is, doesn't know what the size is. All these things will get filled in once it's finished. But if I go back to the course, now down the bottom you see that there is a video. Now if I click on play on this, because I set it to use embedded, you'll see that it will play. Oh, it's not finished, but it's going to play the embedded video of the other thing you can do is you can add comments. Hey, this is cool. And now you've got a comment that shows up here. You can also go to that person's profile. You can click on here, it takes you to the person's profile, which could have a cover photo, could have a bio. You can set you can see the courses that the person has. So this case, it's me, it's my courses, but if it's, for example, somebody else that you're not connected with, you could actually see what they have as a user on there. There's a lot of stuff, but the main thing is that you can create courses really quickly if you have videos that are, things you've been teaching online. You can just go and create a course and just dump them there, put them there. They're organized, and when people are playing, when the people are watching the courses, they know, if I look at this, for example, profile secrets, and I look at this, you can actually see as you play them. I'm not going to show you that right now, but you can actually see where you are. It remembers where you are. So if you go to your phone or you go to another computer, you'll know where you were, where you left off, where you are in the video, in the course. As you can see, there's comments in here. These are, and then it's a complete platform now, where of course there's going to be more and more features added to it, but right now you can create a course. You can even have modules. That's in the works right now. There's most of it is functional where you can separate your modules in your course into modules and have videos in some modules, and text and files and things like that in a module. So there's lots of stuff that's going on, and I'm still learning myself right now how to even talk about it, because it does a lot, and I know it's overwhelming when there's too much stuff. But if you have any questions, of course I would love to hear from you, and I would love for you to let me know if you have any questions about this. And if you would like to set up an account, you just go to ClickeCourse.com and you just register, and that's it. You get an account, you get a free account, and if you ever want more features, then of course you can upgrade your account. And for the first 10 people that reach out to me right now after you've watched this video, I'm going to give you a free lifetime upgrade to the ultimate account, to the extreme plan. I'll give you a free lifetime upgrade to this plan, which gives you 100% commission on selling other people's courses, 75% commission on referrals, and you of course get a lot more ability, a lot more storage, a lot more courses. You can create that kind of stuff. So the first 10 people to reach out to me and ask for an upgrade, you get a free upgrade to the extreme plan that is worth $150 a month. You get free upgrade to that, the first 10 people. So ClickeCourse.com, and then comment or message or reach out to me and tell me that you heard about this first 10, and ask if you're in the 10, if you can get the free upgrade or not, and I'll let you know as soon as I get your message. All right, we'll see you on the inside.
This has been Course Income Secrets, the entrepreneur's blueprint to generating income from the e-learning boom. Some of your friends need to hear this message, so don't forget to share. For more content like this, go to CourseIncomeSecrets.com and make sure to subscribe and follow us here. My name is Jean-Serge Gagnon. Until next time.